spaces into extraordinary environments. Today, we're delving into the realm of simple outdoor kitchen designs and creative ideas to elevate your backyard into a functional and stylish culinary haven. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Simple outdoor kitchen typically refers to a basic, functional outdoor cooking space that emphasizes practicality and ease of use. It often includes essential elements like a grill, countertop, and storage, but may lack elaborate features or high-end finishes. Here are some key characteristics of a simple outdoor kitchen. First, minimalist design. Prioritizes functionality over ornate aesthetics. Second, essential components. Includes basic elements like a grill, countertop, and storage. Third, easy to maintain. Requires minimal upkeep and cleaning. Fourth, affordable. Generally more budget-friendly than complex outdoor kitchens. Fifth, versatile. Can be used for various cooking tasks, from grilling to preparing simple meals. A simple outdoor kitchen is a great option for those who want a functional and enjoyable outdoor cooking space without the complexity or expense of a more elaborate design. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill and a countertop. It's a space that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. Here are some of the essential elements of a simple outdoor kitchen. 1. Cooking area. A grill, or perhaps a combination of a grill and a plancha, is the centerpiece. 2. Countertop space. Provide ample surface area for food preparation and serving. 3. Storage. Incorporate cabinets or drawers for utensils, plates, and other essentials. 4. Seating area. Create a comfortable space for dining and socializing. 5. Lighting. Ensure adequate illumination for both day and night use. How can I design a small outdoor kitchen that maximizes space? Small outdoor kitchens can be just as functional and stylish as larger ones. Here are some space-saving tips. First, vertical storage. Utilize wall-mounted shelves or cabinets to maximize storage without taking up floor space. Second, fold-down countertops. Consider countertops that can be folded down when not in use to create a more open space. Third, modular design. Opt for modular components that can be rearranged or expanded as needed. Fourth, compact appliances. Choose smaller-sized grills, refrigerators, and sinks to save space. What are some creative outdoor kitchen design ideas? Beyond the essentials, there are countless ways to add personality and style to your outdoor kitchen. Consider these creative ideas. 1. Outdoor bar. Create a dedicated space for serving drinks and snacks. Add bar stools or counter seating for a social and inviting atmosphere. Customize the bar area with unique features like built-in coolers or a wine rack. 2. Pizza oven. Enjoy the taste of freshly baked pizza in your backyard. Choose from various pizza oven options, including wood-fired, gas, or electric. Pair the pizza oven with a built-in countertop for easy food preparation. 3. Fire pit or fireplace. Add warmth and ambience to your outdoor space. Choose from different styles and materials, such as stone, metal, or ceramic. Incorporate a fire pit or fireplace into your outdoor seating area for a cozy gathering spot. 4. Water feature. Create a soothing and relaxing atmosphere with a fountain or waterfall. Choose from various water feature styles, including cascading, bubbling, or recirculating. Add plants and rocks around the water feature to enhance its visual appeal. 5. Built-in planter boxes. Grow fresh herbs and vegetables for a sustainable and flavorful touch. Design custom planter boxes that complement your outdoor kitchen style. Incorporate vertical gardening techniques to maximize space. 6. Outdoor lighting. Use string lights, lanterns, or spotlights to create a magical atmosphere. Consider solar-powered lighting for an eco-friendly and sustainable option. Highlight specific features of your outdoor kitchen, such as the grill or bar area. 7. Custom cabinetry. Design cabinetry that complements your home style and meets your specific needs. Choose from various materials, such as wood, metal, or composite. Incorporate features like drawers, shelves, and hidden storage compartments. 8. Outdoor flooring. Select durable and weather-resistant flooring materials that enhance your outdoor space. Consider options like natural stone, brick, pavers, or composite decking. Choose a flooring material that complements your outdoor kitchen's overall design. 9. Outdoor seating. Select comfortable and stylish seating options that invite relaxation and conversation. Choose from various styles, such as dining sets, lounge chairs, or bar stools. Consider adding cushions and pillows for added comfort and color. 10. Outdoor accessories. Add finishing touches with decorative elements like plants, artwork, and textiles. Incorporate outdoor rugs or runners to define different areas within your space. Hang outdoor string lights or lanterns for a festive and inviting atmosphere. By incorporating these essential elements and creative ideas, you can design a simple outdoor kitchen that transforms your backyard into a captivating and functional oasis. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your personal style and meets your specific needs. For more inspiration and design ideas, explore our channel for a wide range of home decor and design content. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs to stay updated on the latest trends and tips. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.